Hello student, this is Ravi. Today we will discuss what is exponent and what are laws of exponent and how to use it in solution of complications of question. And I'm requesting those who are first time visiting this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the further notification. As well as if you are getting contents are good, you can share it with your friend, or you can also press the like button. Okay, without wasting the time, we are going to start. Exponent. What is exponent? Guys, you know that 2 into 2 into 2, we can also write it as 2 to the power 3. Why 2 to the power 3? Because we multiplied 2 thrice, that's why we can write it as 2 to the power 3. The representation of number in this form is called exponential form. Exponential form. Okay, in this exponential form, this 2 is called base and this 3 is called exponent, or this exponent is also called power. Okay, generally, so we can say that the number which is written in the form of a to the power n is called number in the exponential form, and here a is called base and n is called exponent or power. Now we'll discuss what are the laws of exponent. So guys, normally there are 7 laws of exponent which you have to use in your class. What are that 7 laws? First of all, that a to the power minus m is equals to 1 upon a to the power m. Means what? If any number having negative power, it's mean that that number shows the reciprocal of the base in that number. For example, we'll discuss examples here. For the first example, 2 to the power minus 3 means what? 1 upon 2 to the power 3. Or its opposite, 1 upon 2 to the power minus 3 means what? 2 to the power 3. Means easily you can understand that any number having negative power, if you will write the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of base, its power will be positive. Or if positive power you want to convert in negative power, you have to write the base reciprocal or base in multiplicative inverse form. So means you are understanding, if you will write the multiplicative inverse of base, the sign of power will change. Now second law, what is that? A to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. What is this? If in any numbers bases are equal, their powers are different. During the multiplication, their powers will be added to each other. See the example of second one. Suppose 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 6. Remember this thing, that their base must be equal. Both are 2, but powers are different. So during the multiplication, what we will do? We will write 2 to the power 5 plus 6 as per this law. A to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. That will be 2 to the power 11. Similarly, for the division, as we are adding powers in the multiplication when the bases are same, similarly if the bases are same, for the division we are subtracting the powers. For example, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 2. It's mean that 2 to the power 5 minus 2, that is 2 to the power 3. Fourth one, This is very important and easy and useful law. What is this law? If any number having power on power, means what? A number having a power m, after that another power n. So power on power is multiplication of power. For example, 2 to the power 3 further power 2 means 3 to 2 to the power 3 into 2, that is 2 to the power 6. Now the different case is this. Till now we discussed number having same base different power. Now we will discuss number having different base and same power. For example, the fifth one, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. Here bases are different but powers are same. So what we can write? We can write it as 2 to the power 2 into 3 to complete power 3. That is 6 to the power 3. Same thing for the division also. 2 to the power 3 into, divided by 3 to the power 3. We can write it as 2 divided by 3 to the power 3 or 2 by 3 to the power 3. That will be 2's cube is 8, 3's cube is 27. That is 8 by 27. And now last one is that seventh one. Any number having power 0, any number having power 0, that will be equals to 1. For example, 2 to the power 0, 1. 1 by 2 to the power 0, 1. 7 by 3 to the power 0, 1. Minus 1 by 2 to the power 0, that is also 1. X to the power 0, 1. So I think you all understand these things. For any query or any question or any doubt, you can add comment in the video as well as in the WhatsApp group. And one more thing guys, you can also share these videos with your friends, those who are studying in any other school or anywhere. You can share them. Thank you class.